Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so pumped because we are opening the first advent calendar of the season. Seems kind of crazy, it's not even October yet, but we have the Look Fantastic advent calendar for 2021. So this officially goes on sale October 1st, so just in a few days. Is that Friday? But it's on pre-order now and it's already halfway sold out. It's not even the official launch date. So I wanted to get this to you guys to give you, a chance to check it out. So it costs $115 and you get over $500 worth of product. If you use my link below to subscribe to Look Fantastic, you'll get $20 off this box. This advent calendar box, this huge box full of goodies. I'm so excited. Or if you're already a subscriber, you can also save $20. So it's $95 for over $500 in product. I don't know what's in here. I did see like a list of some of the brands that will be in here. So this is, and it looked good, but this is all going to be a surprise. So I'm super excited. So today we're going to go through each one. I'm super excited. So the box is super cute itself. I'll show you guys in just a second. I guess I should take a moment and say hi. I missed you guys. It's been a few days since I posted. I'm sorry if I'm a little like puffy looking or sound stuffy. Ever since I moved, my allergies have been a little killer, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of teared up earlier today, which I just react really bad. I'm like the ugliest crier and I get really puffy, but that's not even the point. That doesn't matter. I heard someone in the beauty community, Mel Thompson, who was a beautiful soul, passed away. I don't want to cry again. But so that's another reason why I might look the way I do. But yeah, I gotta keep going. But my thoughts go out to her failing loved ones who lost a good one. But yeah, so today we're gonna be opening this. And if you are new here, hi. I'm usually not this emotional, but I'm kind of sometimes, I keep it real here on our channel. But yeah, I open subscription boxes, beauty boxes, advent calendars. So if you're into that type of content, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That means so much to me. But let's get started, you guys. So I want to make sure you guys can see. It's a little dark. And look, it's like, I live in Florida, if you guys don't know, it's like hot out. So I put on a sweater, kind of like make it seem like it's kind of wintertime here. But when you open it up, can you guys see okay? I'm really sorry if you can't, but it says the season to be, feel, and look fantastic. A countdown so special, nostalgia galore, while celebrating a season with giving at its core. A gift filled with beauty, a delight behind each door. I'm butchering this. Get ready for glamour, luxury, indulgence, and more. I was not expecting it to be like some cute rhyme like that. Oh, my cat Emmy is rubbing against a tripod if anything's moving. Emmy, want to say hi? Come here. Come here. No? Sorry, guys, she's being shy. But let's not waste any more time. Where is day number 1? And I tried to peek when I first got this in the mail, like Saturday or something, but everything is wrapped up individually, like in this cute tissue. So I'm just going to put it back in, I guess. So day 1. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This is a good size too. So I believe we get like a mixture of deluxe size and sample size, or in full size. This is deluxe size, but this is definitely a good size. I've tried the goat milk moisturizer and I really like that. I've never tried the cleanser though, so awesome. And it's expensive, this brand. Bougie box. Here's 2. God, I'm already getting a little runny nose here. Ooh. Wow. Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. It magically transforms texture. Amazing humidity proofing powers. Oh, is this for your hair? Use every 3 or 4 shampoos. Nice. I like how this looks. And humidity control. I could use that. So fun. Nice. 3. Ilamasqua Hydra Setting Spray. I've never tried this product by them. I kept saying Ilamasqua. My friend and I were trying to think of that like one plant that it's like a spiritual plant people take like with a shaman, ayahuasca or something. And I kept saying it's Ilamasqua. And I'm like, why do I know that word so well? I'm like, no, that's a beauty brand. It sounds alike though, doesn't it? Has anyone done that, by the way? Let me know your experience. Ayahuasca. I think that's how you say it. Caudalie, the Venosource Hydra Cream SOS Intensive Moisturizing Cream. 5. God, for a while it was, okay, yeah. Aveda, Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. Before like my YouTube days and subscription box days, I used to use all Aveda products because I went to Aveda hair salon. Now I do my own hair, which I need to do. I want to do it before I go to Spain. Get a little bit more ginger again. This seems like it's a full size. Delilah Lip Line Longwear Retractable Pencil in Buff. Delilah. Makes me think of that like AM radio person. Is that? I don't know, but what? This looks like a really pretty color. Let's ask Delilah. I think I will love this. Is this not focusing? I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm just staring at him like, can you even see? Do you want to focus on me? Probably not. Wait, what was that? Was that 6? So we're on 7 now? Ooh, I recognize this brand. Amorovisca Budapest Refining Facial Polisher. This is a bougie brand. Why isn't it focusing? Probably because there's a lot going on here. 9. It's so fun. A part of me is like, I want to open one a day. But I was thinking like, maybe when I'm done with this, I can like make my own little thing. I don't know. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I just want to reuse this box somehow. NARS blush. What color is it? Orgasm? I don't know what blush shade it is. It is. That's nice. I've never tried it. I have the full size. Ours isn't necessarily cruelty free. I need to do some more research with all the like testing changes that are going on. But I have the full size. I was going to list. Maybe I already did list on my Mercari page. I don't know why my autofocus is not working. But I think everyone knows kind of what this is. But it's exciting. It's so cute. And that's good. They gave us like a shade that, you know, is like a cult classic and people love and not like something in their line they're like trying to pass off or something. Not pass off, but you know, like doesn't sell as well. Philip Kingsley Elastistyler Multitasker for All Hair Types 5-in-1 Treatment. I'm sorry guys, it is not wanting to focus. Oh my god, did I already forget what day? Are we on 10 now? I opened 9, right? That was 9. Oh, this is a heavy one. It's a candle! Woo! I love candles so much. Rituals, I love this brand. Oh my god, I got a little too excited there. I love their shower products. Damn, my nose is all stuffy. Oh, it smells so good. But one beautiful fragrance can create many beautiful memories. The Ritual of Sakura. I love their products. Oh my god. It made me do like a little happy dance there. I love candles. I think they're kind of a bougie brand too. Damn, I need to get my allergies in check. I'm all stuffy here. 11. Shiseido Ultimate Power Infusing Concentrate with Immunogeneration Red Technology. So this is like a serum. Keep this going. 12. Percy and Reed London, I Need a Hero Wonder Balm Hair Primer. Ooh, a hair primer. So use this before styling. I didn't even brush my hair. I washed my hair today and I just put it in a braid and just went with it. I'm like, well, I keep it real here. That's the second time I said this on this channel. I keep it real. What you get is what you see. This is so cute and little. Iconic London Illuminator. Just like a little baby highlight. An original. Sounds familiar. Oh yes, it's a liquid. Oh my god, it's so cute. But I would never use more than this amount, you know, as a liquid highlight. Okay, I'm not swatching everything because some things are probably going to giveaways, but let's do this because it's so cute and I want to try it. Mmm. Wow, a little bit goes a long way. I don't think I put on highlight today. I can't even tell. The viewfinder's so little. No. No. Let's keep it going. Hi, Emmy. Want to come say hi now? I was waiting for you to come and see all the tissue paper on the ground. You look laying on tissue paper. Come here, baby. Say hi. Hi. This looks like a full size. What was the last full size? Was that day 7? It's like the end of each week you get a full size item. This is AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Most eyes are on the face. Okay, but concentrated eye cream for the whole face. Oh, so it's for your eye cream, but you can use it everywhere? Cool. I like that, because usually they say like you could use like regular moisturizers under your eye too, most of the time. 15. Ooh, I like Ren Clean Skincare Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I've never tried this one. I like the color of it. If you guys have tried any of these items at all, like let me know. Also, I wanted to ask you guys this in the beginning. Are there any other advent calendars you'd like to see on this channel? I have the Glossy Box one coming, I'm pretty sure. Which, by the way, I think I've got this in the past Glossy Box. I haven't tried it yet, though. This is by Bubble Tea Bath & Body Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. Or was this in a past Look Fantastic? But yeah, if you guys have anything you'd like to see on this channel, advent calendars, subscription boxes, mystery boxes. I did buy last night. I haven't bought anything in a while because I'm like, you know, like towards the end of the month, I'm like, hey, gotta pay rent, all the bills, whatever, in the first month. But got all that cleared, and I was like, I bought the Oprah mystery box. If it's still available, I'll link it down below. Oh, nice. This Works Stress Check Mood Manager. Motion activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing, balanced atmosphere wherever you are. We could use some balance here. I'm sure you guys could too. Hi, Annie. What am I missing? Why is it so hard for me to keep track of the days? 18. Oh my god, we're getting towards the end. The final. Did they change the labeling? Christoph Robin. This is the Cleansing Purifying Scrub. I love this stuff, but doesn't it look a little different? It doesn't say sea salt. It just says Cleansing Purifying. Oh, it does, smaller. Cleansing Purifying Scrub with sea salt. I think they changed the label just like very slightly. You guys know. If you don't know, this is my go-to favorite scalp scrub. I need to start using it again. I haven't since I moved. 19, where are you? But that's exciting. I'm glad it's in here. I'm glad like it's been around in a lot of boxes kind of, so like more people can try it. I love that. This is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. I keep hearing great things about it. I've gotten it and I have yet to use it. Just because I have a surplus of stuff and I'm trying to use up what's open. I'm trying to be better about that, but now I have another one and I want to use it. And again, let me know what you've tried that we've opened and if you like it or not. 20. This is soap. Like I always have fun opening things, but this is like legit Christmas, you know. Okay. What is this? It feels like soft. Oh, there's bubble wrap in it too. Oh, it's so teeny. What are you? BioEffect EGF Serum. What is that, like growth factor? For improved appearance of skin. Ooh, I bet this full size is super expensive. What's the E? The E in the growth factor. External growth factor? I don't know. Promotional side. BioEffect. Have you guys used this? Oh, no. So what are we on now? 21? Oh my god. It's almost the end. 21, where are you? Eyeliner or something? It's a good mix of makeup and skincare and hair care, right? There's a lot of hair care kind of, but that's okay with me. So yeah, this is Diego Dalla Palma 01 Casual or Cole Angel Consult. Wait. Okay, I'm like reading literally everything. So yeah, this is a black liner. Nice. Or coal. So I guess that's not like super black, right? It's like grayish black? No. But that's full size. I think my theory on like the weekends is full size items. 22. Oh my god, it really is the final countdown now. I'm gonna be sad kind of when it's all over. Then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Ooh. Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. A targeted treatment mist. high in relaxing bioactives to promote good night's sleep and hydrate your neck and chest while you catch some Z's. Nice. I like these little sprays. I wonder what the last thing's gonna be. Okay, 23. I can't remember what the last one was last year. It's usually pretty big. I mean, they highlight it. Avant. Ooh, super bougie brand. Sumptuous glycolic acid hand balm. This is new. They have so many things. Sumptuous. I'm gonna keep this one. I love hand cream. I usually like, some people love this brand so much that I like to give it to them, you know. Now you can kind of see it, you know. But I might keep that one. I want sumptuous hands. I don't really even know what that means exactly, but I have an idea. 24. We are almost done, you guys. Elemis. I love Elemis. Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. Skin Smoothing Cleanser. I've never tried this one. I've tried a lot like in the marine line. Oh my god, and the last one. It's big. I feel like I missed one. I'm sorry, but I don't think I did that one. Oh, I think this brand was last time too. Espa. The Clean and Green. Wow. Clean and Green Detox Mask. This brand seems really bougie. I think I tried their moisturizer. Was that the last one last month? Wow, did I open all of this in less than 18 minutes? Go me. Why do I feel like I missed something? Did I miss any? No, I don't think I did. I may have had a little trouble there for a few of the days, but that was everything. You guys, look at all this stuff. Can you see? Oh my gosh. What am I the most excited? Excuse me, I just burped. But, I don't know. I think this candle probably got me the most excited. I did my little, But yeah, that was everything, you guys. Again, if you're interested in getting $20 off, the link will be down below. I don't believe it's an affiliate link. I do have affiliate links with Look Fantastic, but to get that like automatic coupon off, it's not. So I'm going to put the one that saves you guys money down there instead of the affiliate link. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. And again, remember to let me know what other advent calendars you'd like to see or anything in general. And yeah, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.